Hey memory makers! Imagine a pocket-sized printer that turns your phone pics into retro-style keepsakes in seconds. Meet the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2. It's fun, portable, and perfect for parties. But is it worth the film cost? Stick around to find out. Let's start with its portability. It's perfect for capturing memories and instantly sharing them with friends. This printer is small, light, and so easy to carry around. It's like having a portable photo studio in your pocket. The prints have that classic Instax charm, vivid colors with a touch of nostalgia. It's like a retro Instagram filter you can hold. Connecting via Bluetooth and printing directly from my phone is a breeze. Even my tech-challenged grandpa figured it out. Creative features? The motion control feature is so fun. Drawing on prints feels like bringing out my inner Picasso. Well, almost. Perfect for parties and weddings. It turns memories into tangible keepsakes in seconds, and guests will love it. The app makes it simple to choose your favorite shots, edit them, and print in seconds. Even a tech newbie can master it. Yeah, like they say, nothing is perfect. Some users of this gadget are not so much happy about the battery life, so bring a charger if you're planning to print a lot. Others ones think that the film is expensive, and every photo feels like a financial commitment. Better not mess up, or it's $1 down the drain. Overall, the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 is a fun, creative gadget for instant photo lovers who enjoy tangible memories. Its playful features and compact design are great for social events, though the high cost of film and slightly limited app features might not suit everyone. So if you have or know more about this gadget, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it, and if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you are having a great day.